students, today we are going to study the new chapter Fiber to Fabric. In class 6, you have learnt about some fibers that are obtained from plants. Which fibers are obtained from plants? You know? Yes. Cotton, silk, these are the some fibers that are obtained from plants. You also learned that wool and silk fibers are obtained from animals. Animals give wool and silk fibers. Wool is obtained from the fleece. Fleece means the hair of sheep or the animal yak. Silk fibers come from cocoons of the silk moth. Do you know which part of the sheep's body yields fiber? Yes. Are you aware how these fibers are converted into the woolen yarn that we buy from the market to knit sweaters? Yeah, for knitting the sweaters, we buy some woolen yarn from the market. You know very well. Do you have any idea how silk fibers are made into silk, which is woven into saris? When we woven the saris, we use the silk fibers. In this chapter, we shall try to find answers to these questions. Now, animal fibers. Wool. Wool comes from sheep, goat, yak and some other animals. These wool-yielding animals bear hair on their body. Wool-yielding animals bear hair on their body. Do you know why these animals have a thick coat of hair? These animals have a thick coat of hair. Why? Hair trap a lot of air. Air is a poor conductor of heat, as you will learn in chapter 4. So hair keeps these animals warm. Hair keeps these animals warm. Wool is derived from these hairy fibers. Now we study the activity. Feel the hair on your body and arms and those on your head. You touch your hand or arms and you also touch your head. Do you find any difference? Which one seems coarse and which one is soft? Which hair are soft and which hair are coarse? Yes, like us, the hairy skin of the sheep has two types of fibers and that form its fleece. First type, the coarse beard hair and the fine soft under hair close to the skin. Two types of fibers are on the skin of the sheep. First, the coarse beard hair and second one is the fine soft under hair close to the skin. The fine hair provide the fibers for making wool. Some breeds of sheep possess only fine under hair. Their parents are specially chosen to give birth to sheep which have only soft under hair. This process of selecting parents for obtaining special characters in their offspring, such as soft under hair in sheep, is termed selective breeding. Now we will see animals that eat wool. Several breeds of sheep are found in different parts of our country. However, the fleece of sheep is not the only source of wool. Though wool commonly available in the market is sheep wool. In the market, only sheep wool is available in the market. Yak wool is common in Tibet and Ladakh. Mohair is obtained from Angora goats. These Angora goats are found in hilly regions such as Jammu and Kashmir. Wool is also obtained from goat hair. The underfur of Kashmiri goat is soft. It is woven into fine shawls called pashmina shawls. The fur means hair. The fur on the body of camels is also used as wool. Llama and alpaca found in South America also yield wool. Next activity, collect pictures of animals whose hair is used as wool. You collect the pictures of animals whose hair is used as wool. Stick them in your scrapbook. If you are unable to get pictures, try to draw them from the ones given in this book. Find out words for sheep, goat, camel and egg in your local language. You also find the words what we say to sheep, goat, camel and egg in your local language and also in other languages of our country. Now we will see now next activity. Procure outline maps of India and the world. Find out and mark the places on the map where you find animals that provide wool. You find and mark the places on the map where you find animals that provide wool. Use different colors to denote the location. For this activity, you use different colors. Denote the location for different wool yielding animals. Now, from fibers to wool. For obtain wool, sheep are reared. वूल ऑब्टेन करने के लिए हम शीप को संभालते हैं, पालते हैं. देयर हेयर इज कट एंड प्रोसेस्ड इनटू वूल. शीप के हेयर्स को हम कट करते हैं, उसके ऊपर प्रोसेस करते हैं. इसका स्टडी हमने लास्ट ईयर में किया है, 6th स्टैंडर्ड में किया है. लेट अस लर्न अबाउट दिस प्रोसेस. यहाँ पर भी थोड़ा हमें स्टडी दिया है, तो हम देखेंगे उसके बारे में. रियरिंग एंड ब्रीडिंग ऑफ शीप. If you travel to the hills in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim, or the plains of Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat, you can see shepherds taking their herds of sheep for grazing. In these areas, the shepherds taking their herds of sheep for grazing. Sheep are herbivores, you know, and prefer grass and leaves. Sheep क्या खाते हैं? Plant products खाते हैं. Apart from grazing sheep, rearers also feed them on a mixture of pulses. Apart from grazing, उसको चराने के अलावा हम उसको खिला भी सकते हैं. क्या खिला सकते हैं? A mixture of pulses. Pulses का mixture, corn, जवार, oil cakes भी हम उसको खिला सकते हैं. Oil cakes, these are the material left after taking out oil from seeds and minerals. In winter, sheep are kept indoors and fed on leaves. विंटर सीजन में शीप को हम इंडोर्स में रख सकते हैं एंड तब उसको हम चराने के लिए नहीं ले जा सकते. तो हम क्या करेंगे उस टाइम? उसको लीव्स दे सकते हैं खाने के लिए, ग्रेन दे सकते हैं एंड ड्राई फॉडर भी दे सकते हैं, सूखा हुआ चारा भी दे सकते हैं. शीप आर रेयर्ड इन मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री फॉर वूल. The quality and texture of the fibers obtained from them is also different. Certain breeds of sheep have thick coat of hair on their body, which yields good quality wool in large quantities. As mentioned earlier, these sheep are selectively bred. Selectively bred होते हैं ये sheep. मतलब सिर्फ wool कमाने के लिए हम उस breed का यूज कर सकते हैं, उसको पालते हैं. With one parent being a sheep of good breed. Once the reared sheep have developed thick growth of hair, एक बार उस sheep के बॉडी के ऊपर हेयर अच्छी तरह से डेवलप हो जाते हैं, उसकी अच्छी तरह से ग्रोथ होती है. हेयर इज शेव्ड ऑफ. तो बाद में उस हेयर को हम क्या करते हैं? शेव्ड ऑफ मतलब बॉडी से अलग करते हैं, कट करते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल गेट अ वूल. आफ्टर दैट वी विल गेटिंग अ वूल. नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस, processing fibers into wool. This process we will see in the next part of the video. Still, you stay safe, stay home. Thank you.